Live net TV not working. All right, guys, here's how you can fix this. The first thing you need to do is to simply reset or restart your Fire Stick. You could do this by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. Another thing you could do is to check your internet connection by going into settings and clicking on network. So head over to the settings menu on your Fire Stick and then head into where we have network, and then you should be able to check how good your internet connection is. Now, the next thing you can do while on that settings menu is head over to applications, and then you'd find somewhere like installed apps. Now, on the installed apps, go ahead and click on LiveNet TV, clear the cache and clear the data so you can log back in, and it's going to be like a fresh new application. Now, if that doesn't work, you could also try updating or reinstalling the app by simply deleting the app and reinstalling it. That's how the reinstall is done. For updates, all you need to do is check if there are any updates for the live TV. Now, if that doesn't work, you could also try using a different stream link. Sometimes the channel server is down and you might need to switch another link inside the app. Now, you can also turn off the VPN or change your server by simply disabling the VPN or switching to another country or server. Alright, guys.